Welcome to Future Store AI. Today we are diving into the ultimate AI showdown. ChatGPT versus Gemini versus Cloudy. Which one is smarter? Which one gives better answers? And most importantly, which one should you use? Stick around because we are testing them head to head in speed, accuracy, creativity, and more. So let's get started. What if I told you that one of these AI tools is smarter, more creative, and more accurate than the others? Today we are putting ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloudy in the ultimate showdown to see which one really deserves the crown. And trust me, the results might surprise you. Here's how this works. We'll test all three AI across 6 key categories: human-like responses, accuracy, creativity, coding skills, originality, speed, and user experience. Each category gets a score out of 10, and at the end, we'll see who wins. Round 1: Human-like responses. Let's start with human-like responses. I asked each AI, explain AI to a 10-year-old. Here's what they said. ChatGPT explains it like a friendly teacher. Gemini uses more real-life examples. And Cloudy, well, it sounds a bit too formal. If I had to score them, ChatGPT gets 9, Gemini gets 8, and Cloudy gets 7. Round 2: Accuracy. I asked who won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics. Here's what they said. I did a fact check. According to official sources, the correct answer is John J. Hopfield and Geoffrey E. Hinton for their foundational work that enabled machine learning with artificial neural networks. Let's see who got it right. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Cloudy, all three of them nailed it. So the scores they get are ChatGPT 9, Gemini 9, and Cloudy 9. Round 3: Creativity. I gave them the task to write a fun story about a monkey starting a YouTube channel. Let's check these out. ChatGPT's story is funny but safe. Gemini added humor and a twist. Cloudy wrote a deep storyline. So the scores are Gemini 9, Cloudy 8, ChatGPT 7. Round 4: Coding skills. Let's see who codes best. The task I gave them was to write a Python script that reverses a string. And here's what they came up with. All three worked, but ChatGPT added comments for beginners. Gemini was concise, and Cloudy was very technical. So the scores are ChatGPT 10, Gemini 9, and Cloudy 8. Round 5: Originality. I ran their creative stories through a plagiarism checker, and here's what I got. ChatGPT and Cloudy were nearly 100% original. Gemini had a slight match, but still good. So the scores they get are ChatGPT 10, Cloudy 10, and Gemini 8. Up to the next round, number 6: Speed and user experience. This will include my own preferences and experience. ChatGPT loads fast, Gemini is integrated with Google, and Cloudy has a clean interface but can be slower. So the scores are ChatGPT 9, Gemini 9, and Cloudy 8. And here are the final scores. ChatGPT 54, Gemini 52, and Claude 50. The winner is ChatGPT. The contest was evenly matched, but ChatGPT won it by a small margin of 2 points. So which one is best? Honestly, it depends on your needs. ChatGPT is still keen for coding and general use. Gemini wins in creativity and integration, and Claude is amazing for detailed, thoughtful answers. Which AI do you think is best? Drop your pick in the comments and subscribe for more AI battles. Thanks for watching.